Hey everyone, my name is Kent Hamilton. Most people call me Kenny, and I've been here at Quest Global for just over a year now. In my current role, I'm a program manager overseeing our ops and manufacturing programs across multiple states where my team provides world-class engineering services to our customers. My reason to believe in Quest Global is teamwork. On a daily basis, I see the value and impact of working together and communicating with our teams and our customers. Whether we are working together to solve complex issues in real time or working together to collaborate across multiple states and different time zones to ensure our teams feel supported and that our customers' needs are met day in and day out. It's truly inspiring to work with a group of professionals who understand the value of teamwork and working together towards a common goal. If our teams are supported, then we can trust to know that our customers will also be supported. And that is truly embodied here at Quest Global on a daily basis. And that is my reason to believe.